out for the sardine run. For the dolphins and for the birds and for the sharks and everything. All the nice stuff out there. Beautiful day, calm sea, sunshine, blue sky. This is it.
On the
Starting to
horizon.
dive there, eh?
See, they're starting to dive now.
Can I go?
You seem like you're in a bit of action there in the beginning.
I was in there. Oh, there was hundreds of birds. Bang, 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 dolphins. Bang, 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 sharks. It was the worst, the most medley of birds I ever seen on the water. There was white of birds. It was absolutely amazing. Oh, look at this. It's just raining birds, yeah.